Edo APC don't empty for Akoko-Edo as Philip Shaibu receive all the party executive and members into PDP for Benin. Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu don't receive all Progressives Congress APC executives from Akoko-Edo local government area, Edo North Senatorial District, when the camp come People's Democratic Party on Tuesday for Government House Benin City. Shaibu talk say he dey happy say the ogbonge people for all Progressives Congress for Akoko-Edo na dem come PDP and as e be so, APC no get escos for the local government. He talk say make them inform the people wella to vote person wey get experience and avoid those wey wan use money buy their PVC.
On behalf of the National Chairman of PDP, Senator Shaibu, and Chairman of PDP Edo State, Right Honorable I formally receive all of you. And I'm so happy and excited. We are talking about the LGA APC chairman. We are talking about vice chairman. I also had the secretary. So who is left? And we have one chairman. We have even auditor, financial secretary, treasurer. They are all here. Youth leader. So who is left? So you are going, APC in Akoko-Edo is going to an election without executive. That's the implication. And if a party is going to an election without an executive, obviously that is defeat already for that party. And one thing that struck me hard and also gave me courage is knowing who you people are when Speaker was speaking. I know you people from his statement, reflecting back, you are people of courage and you are people that when you say yes, it is yes. You are not those conventional politicians that just want to be one leg there, one leg out. You, in the face of any intimidation, you stand your ground. Your ground in 2006, when everybody felt these people were on a mission to commit suicide politically, you stood your ground. In 2006, all odds were against us supporting Shaibu. All odds. We formed people movement for Shaibu. We formed Shaibu's people movement. Different organizations. They gave us different names. Some will call me aside and say, you people want to start politics and you want to start from suicide mission. You guys were the one, you were the one that stood firm. I'm sure we will be very proud of quality representation in the whatever you have with Adutu, no matter what you say about him, there's one thing you always agree. Saying if Adutu is there, he will fight for us and he will represent us well. That's what So we were colleagues in the house and I know how rugged, dogged and intelligent he is. And I don't really deserve somebody rugged, intelligent, sharp, and that can speak when it is necessary to speak, and you can stand and say, yes, that is my rep. And that's what he represents. So I'm happy that you, all of us, all the forces, all the true progressive forces are all coming together again to fight a common cause. When progressive are united, obviously no war can be a barricade to our success, because we will fall any war that is in front of us. That is what we are known for. And we are energized. I like your statement. You said you are bringing a force to join forces. And when these forces obviously come together, is there any force that can stand us? And this force that we are talking about is a force for genuine democracy. A force where power is not might. A force where democracy is truly defined as a system for the people, by the people, and for the people. And that is democracy we are talking about. Because when people now understand that they are continuously in leadership, it's at the instance of our people, and the people have the right and power to decide their fate as far as their career is concerned. The people, these same people that we elect every day will now continue to start doing the will of the people that elect them. But the situation we find ourselves today is where the elected becomes the Lord over those that elected them, and they decide without even recourse to the people. We have representation that will stay in Abuja and telling people in Abuja, my people say. Whereas this guy talking there saying, my people say, I've not visited his constituency for the past 2, 3, 4, 5 months, and he's speaking that my people say. That is not the kind of representation we want again. We don't want a representation where it's all about self. We don't want a representation where only when there is election that they remember us. When election comes, they start building roads. When election comes, they start bringing, that is where you see Ministry of Budget now constructing road. And I first need to ask, when as Federal Ministry of Budget becomes Ministry of Works and Housing? You understand? It's to the election. You now see Federal Ministry of Budget is now in charge of road construction. It does not tell you that something is wrong. The recently I asked them, if Ministry of Budget can now construct road, please, they should come and construct Benin, Auchi, Benin, Abuja road. They should come and try help us construct Sapele road. They should come and help us construct Auchi, Akoko-Edo road. Ajebule road. It's a federal road. We cannot pass there again without entering the state road and come out through the other end. For you to go straight now, it's a major problem. It's okay if the Federal Ministry of Budget know how to do all these roads. There was no need to have Federal Ministry of Works. Maybe they should have helped us to do all these federal roads that become problem for us in Edo State. So that's old style. It's no longer obtainable. None of us will take their old style. I was passing through Warake the other day. I saw caterpillar pouring sand in one of these things. I said, we were saying budget ministry. I said, people will not stop all these deceits. After election now, you won't see those caterpillar again. After election, those caterpillar disappeared. Then one of them when I say want to do Jabu, I said, don't go there. We already awarded that road. We have finished that off. The other one say 80% completed. And they are moving. Don't even go there. So our people should be on alert. Another thing they want to do in Akoko-Edo, they are buying wrapper now. They are buying wrappers because they said so. They will not allow money. So they have started buying wrapper, phone, and some of those things they want to use during the election. And they are arranging that they will get 1 or 2, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. They will be transferring money to buy PVC. So people should get alert. Let our people know that they give you wrapper and phone and transfer money to your account through third party. That is what you are doing it for another 4 years. Is that what we want now? No. The last election in 2020, we stood our ground and said, the governor said, if the people want me, they will vote me. We are not going to buy one vote. We didn't buy any vote. They bought. You remember they brought wrapper, they brought phone, then they added 15,000 in some places, 10,000 in some places, 20,000 in some places. With the wrapper and phone and 20,000 and 10,000 and 15,000, did they win? No. You were in APC, you know now. You know what they did. But they didn't win. Because our people are wiser now. And this election, we are even going to be wiser than what we were in 2020. Because all of us, the suffering is there. There's no big man in Nigeria now. There's no big man. If anybody says there's no big man, forget it. Because the suffering, the hunger in the land is so much. And all of us must come together. And that's why I'm happy that I'm seeing your faces that I can connect progressiveness with. You will not regret your action. And Akoko-Edo will be better for it. And Edo State will be better for it. And Nigeria in general will be better for it.
Frank Adeyemi, wey be the APC chairman for Akoko-Edo, come talk say.
It's a fact that we always believe on what we know that is supposed to be. For example, in Akoko-Edo, we have many communities. Akoko-Edo is very large, and some of these positions we do rotate them based on the demand arrangement. It's from that note that we take it upon ourselves that right honorable partners is supposed to maintain equity. We have been in this course for about 3 years. We have been shortchanged in many things, but God is still keeping us. We fall back to come and at least support you for the good work you have been doing for Edo State and we are your brothers and we are ready to work with you assiduously to get results. Most of what these people are seeing, some of them they deliver community, some of them they deliver the community. All of them who are contested here can attest to it. Yes. So where we stand, we stand firm. So we are coming to add to their efforts to change the narrative. We are coming for you to see that the force have joined forces. I know that we are with you, we will not go hungry. When we don't have food and we can fight this way. So if we have food, that means we'll go a very long way. Sir, whichever way you can come in, we appreciate, we're grateful to you. If we had a meeting, and inside the meeting, they selected this few. So if you say we should take 20 buses, but they will ask what is happening here. So that's why we said, okay, let us just pick this reliable and capable men to come and just show themselves to you.
Right Honorable Kabiru Ajoto, when be the former speaker for Edo State House of Assembly and constantly be the PDP candidate for House of Representatives for Akoko-Edo Federal Constituency, can talk say APC no dey for Akoko-Edo and the chance for PDP to win the local government they very big.
With this defection in Akoko-Edo, APC is dead and waiting for final burial. The men you are seeing are the soul of APC in Akoko-Edo, starting from the chairman, the secretary, and other ESCO members that have decamped to PDP today. It marks the end of APC in Akoko-Edo. You know, we were in APC before we joined PDP. We know who is who in APC. We contributed to the development of APC in Akoko-Edo. Those who have joined us today, they are our brothers that earlier on helped build the party in Akoko-Edo. With their joining of PDP today, it marks the end of APC and PDP, the chances of PDP winning the election now in Akoko-Edo for all the candidates, starting from Atiku Abubakar, Senator Alamekena, my humble self, Donald Okogbe, and Yekini Dia, the chances is now above 80%. So the remaining carcass of APC, by God's grace, will be cleared and buried politically. So as we speak, we are dancing. We are happy that the evil called APC has finally come to an end in a local government called Akoko-Edo. Akoko-Edo, as you know, is always a pace setter, a heterogeneous local government, made up of men of timber and caliber, men of character, intelligent people, people who are always determined to deliver the good. And that is why they have come to that is why they have come today to say yes to PDP.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na your power. Not say I'm giving a politician on the election day.